Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 15 and the name of our unit is Flowers, Seeds and Fruits. My dear students, today is the review of this unit as we have covered all the SLOs of this unit. So before moving on, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we did a project. So quickly answer that what is a seed coat. The hard covering of a seed is called its seed coat. Now, what is embryo? The small plant that is inside the seed is called embryo, and when it emerges out, it becomes a plant. So, my dear students, now let's move forward towards the review. So, quickly see each reading page of yours and quickly answer that what are non-flowering plants, and also give their examples. So non-flowering plants are those plants which do not bear flowers, यानी कि उनके पर फूल नहीं लगते. So जिसकी वजह से इनके ऊपर fruits और seeds भी नहीं पैदा होते. They have spores on them. And the examples are mosses, ferns, and money plant. Next is what are flowering plants? Flowering plants are those plants which bear flowers and also have seeds and fruits inside it. Okay, my dear students, then we discussed about the seeds. So what are seeds? Seed is the hard part of the fruit or flower. And what does it do? How many seeds fruits have? Fruits have different types of seeds. Some have one seed, some have many seeds, some have few seeds. So what is an embryo? That embryo is a very small plant that is inside the seed and is capable of turning into a new plant. So then we discussed about modes of development of seeds or plants. यानी कि new plants कैसे reproduce होते हैं? They are reproduced by seeds and by other parts of the plant. So how new plant develop from seeds? So the seed, when we sow it inside the soil, जब हम इसको मिट्टी के अंदर लगाते हैं, तो inside the embryo there is a small plant. यानी कि seed के अंदर एक छोटा सा embryo होता है, एक small plant होता है, जो कि जब उसको तमाम conditions necessary होती हैं, मिल जाती हैं जो उसको चाहिए, तो it turns out or germinates into a new plant. And then the next mode of the reproduction is through other parts of the plant like stem, leaves and roots. So ये तमाम जो parts हैं इनको graft करके या अगर इनको जमीन में लगाया जाए तो they turn into a new plant. So then we discussed that what do we get from plants. So we get a lot of things from plants like shade, shelter, oxygen, clean air, they clean the environment, they cool down the climate. And they also provide us with fruits and vegetables, and they also give us cotton that is turned into clothes. So how plantation can be done? So हम पौधे कैसे लगा सकते हैं? हम जो है अपने इर्द गिर्द जो है मुख्तलिफ जगह जो देखते हैं जहाँ पे दरख्त नहीं लगे हुए, हमें चाहिए कि हम वहाँ ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो है बीज लगाएं, पौधे लगाएं, जिसकी वजह से जो है वो एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो ठंडा होगा और साफ भी होगा. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for your practice and evaluation. For this, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class and then start doing your worksheet. So what are flowering plants? Name some. So flowering plants क्या होते हैं? कुछ flowering plants के नाम बताएं. What are non-flowering plants? Give examples. That what plants give us? Write any three. ठीक है, पौधे हमें क्या देते हैं? कोई भी तीन चीजें आप लिख सकते हैं. What are modes of development of new plants? पौधे जो है उनके modes of development या reproduction कौन से हैं? दो. Write down the names. Then how plants develop through other parts. ठीक है, अब पौधे जो है वो दूसरे parts से कैसे develop होते हैं? Write down the names कि किस किस तरह से वो पैदा होते हैं. So my dear students, pause the video and quickly finish this worksheet. I hope everybody has finished it, submit it to your teacher and she will evaluate you. Now let's move forward towards the homework. So today what you will do is find out things in your home that we get from plants. With help of your parents, note down in your notebooks, share with your class. So बच्चों, अब आपने क्या करना है? आज आपने घर जाके अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ मिलके ऐसी चीजें ढूंढनी है जो कि पौधों से बनी हुई हैं या आप पौधों से हासिल करते हैं. उसके बाद उनकी एक लिस्ट बनाएं और अपनी नोटबुक में note down करें, and then next day share it with your class. Okay, my dear students, it's time for wrap up. So in this unit we have learned that plants that do not have flowers are non-flowering plants and which have flowers are flowering plants. Flowers make seeds and fruits. Seeds grow into new plants through embryo, and new plants develop by two modes, by seeds and through other parts like stem, leaves and buds. So plants give us oxygen, wood, food and shelter. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. You have learned a lot of things from this unit. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.